Overnight oats. I'm having my almonds, some chia seeds, honey, some milk, oats, bananas, and some strawberries. Let's mix these. In my empty glass, I'll put a cup of oats. If you like, depends on the size of your bowl, you can use 2 cups, depending again on the size of the oats that you want to make. Then I'll go in with my almonds and chia seeds. Next is my banana. Then I'll go in with my milk. Remember, you can either use the dairy milk or the plant-based milk. Give it a mix to ensure that all the ingredients mix well. Then I'll go in with my honey. You can also use maple syrup. Mix in thoroughly. I'll cover this, then refrigerate either overnight or for 2 hours. My mixture has been sitting for 2 hours. So it's time to dig in, and before digging in, add in some few toppings. For my toppings, I like to go in with the healthy options, and in this particular one, I'm going in with some strawberries. So in case you're ready to kickstart your day with a nutritious and delicious breakfast, this is a healthy option, a perfect morning snack, or even as a healthy option. Tell me why you